Hello everyone, it's Loretta. Thank you for joining me today. I have a package from BEEBEE Crafts. They have asked me to do some design teamwork for them. So I am going to show you what they sent. So this is an unboxing video. I do have to admit that I opened it before filming only because they have this thing locked up tighter than Fort Knox. So I had to free up the packaging. I do kind of have a pet peeve about all that crackling. So, but I didn't look. I just freed it up. This is the mountain of bubble wrap that came in. So let's see what I got. This is packing slip. I will be doing a video a little bit later on this week showing what these look like when they're all die cut out. The quality of these pieces is phenomenal. Even touching them in the plastic, you can feel they're very high quality. So there's a heart, it's nested like a doily style. And then this is like a stacked flower stitched die. If I weren't filming, I'd have no trouble getting these open, but I'm filming, so that's how that goes, by the way. As of this morning, I had reached 5,420 subscribers, so thank you, folks. We need to continue to grow my channel. So don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and share my videos on your social media. The more you guys watch, the further up in the search list my channel becomes. I don't know, can you guys see the little hearts? And then this is a stitch circle die. The largest is about 4 inches. Then we have some squares and rectangles. These are definitely basics that I think every single card maker and scrapbooker needs. This one also is about 4 inches. And this one is probably about 5 1/4, so it's about an A2. Maybe a little smaller, but it's definitely a beautiful stitch detail. Now these are mostly doily and mandala or type of dies. I am so excited to be part of this company. I have seen their projects online. Isn't that beautiful? That one almost reminds me of a snowflake. I don't know if you can see these little details. They're going to emboss into the die cut. Here's another heart. Now here's one of the mandala dies. You can cut these several times and stack them on top of one another and do them different shapes in different ways. Very, very pretty stacked effect. And this one definitely is a snowflake, at least I think it is. I will be leaving BEEBEE Crafts information down below in the description box so you can check them out. Also, the information for these particular dies and links will also be down below. And if I forget to put them down below, they will be on my blog. I hope you're having a great day. Stay happy and be a blessing. Bye for now.